Hi everyone, I am Srivalli Made and I am a NICU nurse and assistant nurse manager working at Fernandez Hospital, Hyderguda. I have been working as a NICU nurse for the last 6 years. It has been an exciting journey and I have learned a lot. My father guided me to choose nursing as my career, as it is one of the noblest professions, where you can provide valuable service and receive great self-satisfaction. During my BSc nursing, I had a special liking for working in pediatric wards. Since then, I have always known I want to become a NICU nurse. Being an NICU nurse requires a lot of patience. We often work with babies who are very small or sick. Their care involves precision and absolute focus. I have been in this line for 6 years, and the more experience I gain, the better I can care for them. Newborns' innocence and gentle smile truly uplift my spirit. I enjoy working with these tiny babies, and seeing their improvement motivates me daily. From the time of joining the NICU, I have many memories. But I remember this one tiny preterm baby who was under our care for 9 months. He was battling many challenges like growth retardation, undergoing open heart surgery and tracheostomy. By the time he was discharged, I had developed a very close relationship with his family. Until today, they share updates with me. He is 5 years old now and growing into a healthy young boy. His tracheostomy has also been removed. Many parents share heartwarming updates with us, and I feel so happy when I receive them. The main goal of nursing is to care for people and help their healing with a human touch. I believe it is a great privilege to help babies to heal from their problems and grow. The greatest joy of being an NICU nurse is that it is a profession built on trust. The parents trust us with their precious newborns, and we nurses work day and night to help the babies heal. Although it takes a lot of patience and hard work, the satisfaction we get from seeing these babies being discharged is unlike any other feeling. If you are someone who loves babies and want to make a real difference, you will love being a NICU nurse.